is the stall from the other side of the location. To see from the forest resources also, they have started promoting this case, which is called as
Maria Pinbana ka United Nations UNO yu usnem arjar arpulai kum usnem bam Krai shitlup keberthai kari India bakajala Meghalaya kalatur shakmat ban pinke imbyang ya karep Krai bat kenturu ikipat ba ban paidin try shakabam kasai ya Krai namar uni umar bam udai ubadap de kisbo bakordor ban pinbyang ya kibor jangkamet ubri. Ka Northeast Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society ringkat begitanat Tremont ngobha na lom garo kila pelong ye kajing rakhi ye usnem bam Krai da ka Lehkmen aman asong millet festival ha ka santrik yayong ha hotel Polo Orchid ha dong dakop gre Tura. Hakani kesengi Lehkmen na shimenta de kiseng nongrep kita nak terekam ke sorkar ha ki lom garo ki skul ki college bat ki nokma na ki elaka beper. Lepli kini kesengi Lehkmen do Abhishek Gowda SDO Civil Rongram kum ukongsan. Karimchi and Marak Senior Associate of Garo Hills and Nutrition kelakren halor ki jing mentoy na jing bam testai ki kinja Krai namar ki don bon ba ki vitamin haki. Hakani kesengi ladon ru ka yau ya diet hiet ki jing bam balashet de ki jhur klau babun jan baki riulom garo ki lumun bahaban ba. Ladiru bunjat ki jhur klau ki bakhi kinrei haki klau hakini ki banai per em.
Song the Millet Festival, as we all know, it is conducted by NESPA, that is Northeastern Slow Food and Agro Biodiversity Society. This is a platform, as we all know, which works to promote and create awareness about the indigenous and traditional food system, and which indirectly and directly helps in preserving the traditional knowledge, and also also focuses on ensuring proper nutrition to all the people. That is the main objective. And we also know that especially we are also the majority is women. So women, we are considered them as the custodian of biodiversity, as they are aware of all the knowledge, different food practices and different food system which is coming from ancient times. They are the like knowledge carriers. They are carrying the traditional knowledge as generation passes. So I appreciate all the women present here, and they are working and carrying this wonderful tradition forward. And I also request all the audience present here to pass on this wonderful tradition to the younger generation also. I hope that is also one of the objective of the NISPAS, that involvement of youth in order to improve this traditional food system, and in order to celebrate and appreciate the traditional food system. Today we are celebrating the Millet Festival. As we all know, the United Nations General Assembly in 2021, it declared 2023 as the year of International Year of the Millet. So this is a wonderful day that we are gathered here to know the importance of the millet. Etc. These are the millets which has high content of calcium, iron, fibers, etc., which is good for our health. So I was interacting with the it was person from Shillong branch NESPAS. He was telling that before this PDS system came into force, all the people used to have the millet-based diet. So that's why even if we see all the old age people, they are like pretty healthy and strong than the younger generation. So that is one of the reasons. So we should know the importance of millet based diet and the importance of millets.